In India, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities (RPWD) Act 2016 recognizes 21 types of disabilities. Here's a clear and categorized list of those 21 disabilities as per Indian law. 1. Blindness, complete absence of sight. 2. Low vision, impaired vision even after treatment or correction. 3. Leprosy, cured person, those cured of leprosy but with residual disabilities. 4. Hearing impairment, deaf and hard of hearing, partial or complete loss of hearing. 5. Locomotor disability, disability in bones, joints, or muscles leading to substantial restriction in movement. 6. Dwarfism, adult height of 4 feet 10 inches or less due to medical or genetic condition. 7. Intellectual disability, limitations in intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior, e.g., Down syndrome. 8. Mental illness, substantial disorder of thinking, mood, perception, orientation, or memory. 9. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD, neurodevelopmental disorder affecting communication and behavior. 10. Cerebral palsy, motor disability due to abnormal brain development. 11. Muscular dystrophy, progressive muscle degeneration and weakness. 12. Chronic neurological conditions includes conditions like multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. 13. Specific learning disabilities, SLD, includes dyslexia, dyscalculia, dysgraphia, and others affecting learning processes. 14. Multiple sclerosis, MS, a chronic illness of the nervous system affecting the brain and spinal cord. 15. Speech and language disability, permanent disability in speech or language due to neurological or other conditions. 16. Thalassemia, a blood disorder involving less hemoglobin and fewer red blood cells. 17. Hemophilia, a genetic disorder where the blood doesn't clot properly. 18. Sickle cell disease, group of inherited red blood cell disorders. 19. Multiple disabilities including deafblindness, more than one of the specified disabilities, including both hearing and visual impairment. 20. Acid attack victims, persons disfigured due to acid attacks. 21. Parkinson's disease, a progressive nervous system disorder that affects movement.